Hey guys, it's me Rahul here. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, so I thought let's talk about something real today. So today I want to share a story of a great warrior, the pride of India, who never bowed down to his enemies, who sacrificed everything for his Sanatani Dharma, who sacrificed everything for his nation, who sacrificed everything for his people, is none other than Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was not just a warrior, he was a lion among the pack. Even as a teenager, he was killed a lion with his bare hands. His physical strength was unmatched, but what truly made him great was his unshakable commitment towards dharma. One day, Sambhaji Maharaj was staying at Sangameshwar, planning his next military camping attack against Mughals. But the Mughals launched a surprise attack on Sambhaji Maharaj and his soldiers. Even though Sambhaji Maharaj and his army fought bravely until last minute, but they were eventually captured along with his friend Kavi Kailash. And the capture happened due to betrayed by Ganoji Shirke, a relative of Sambhaji Maharaj, who informed Mughals about his location, and they were taken to the prisoner by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was a king of Mughals. Aurangzeb tried every trick to break Sambhaji Maharaj's spirit. He offered him wealth, power, and life of luxury in exchange of converting to Islam. But the Sambhaji Maharaj chose death over surrender because Sanatana Dharma was more valuable to him than life itself. Aurangzeb ordered to his army to torture Sambhaji Maharaj beyond human endurance. After that, Aurangzeb's army started torture on him. His nails were ripped out, but he still did not agree to convert his religion. His tongue was cut off to make him silence, but he still did not agree to convert his religion. And then salt was rubbed into his wounds, but he still did not agree to convert his religion. The fiery iron rod was pulled into his eyes, but he still did not agree to convert his religion. Even as he facing unbearable pain, even the every inch of skin were filled with the blood, even every part of organs were filled with wounds, but he never asked for mercy. He never agreed to surrender. He never agreed to convert his religion. He stood strong for his people. He stood strong for Sanatani Dharma. He stood strong for Bharat Mata. But now look around you. Today people are converting their religion for small regions. Missionaries are spreading false promises. Like if you fall sick, they say it's because you are Hindu, you are facing this health issue. Convert to our religion, you will be healed. If you struggle in life, they come and say your faith is the reason. Join us, your problems will be vanished. But think for a moment. Are we so weak? Are we so blind that we are forgetting the sacrifices of our ancestors? Sambhaji Maharaj endured unimaginable torture but never converted. Bhagat Singh sacrificed his everything for the people of Bharat. Subhash Chandra Bose sacrificed everything, built an army and fought for independence. They gave their blood, life so that we could live with a dignity and self-respect. Are we now insulting their sacrifices by changing our dharma for temporary comfort zone? Guys, stand strong for dharma and nation. No one is asking you to give your life. No one is asking you to give your wealth. No one is asking you to give your time. But at least stand for religion. Do not betray Bharat Mata. Do not insult our freedom fighters. Sambhaji Maharaj's lives teach us No matter how difficult the circumstances, we must stand for truth. We must stand for honor. We must stand for justice. The story is not just about war, it is about self respect, fearlessness, and dedication to cause greater than oneself. So let us not just remember him as a historical figure, but as guiding force in our lives. Whenever life throws challenges, think of think of his bravery. Be fearless, be determined, and never compromise on your values. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Jai Sambhaji, Jai Hind, Jai Sri Ram.